racing our DRM cars at Mainz-Finthen. Coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello slot car fans, welcome back to 1981 where we are racing our awesome DRM cars at Mainz-Finthen, which looks exactly like this. And this is a very fast, very insane course, so you won't want to miss a single moment of it. But before we carry on, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with all the other slot car guys out there that you know of, because the more likes and subscribes and shares that we get, the more people will be able to see these amazing tracks. And now, without further ado, let's go down to the races.
That's all right. Okay, here we go again. And Dale was so kind tonight to loan us his camera. This camera died. Yeah, it's running crazy tonight. Huh. I'm not getting the crashes.
Come on!
Oh.
Lap 33, 6-2. There I go, I'm off the track for 10 minutes. Six, two, three, four, five, one. Lap 30, no, lap 40. Oh, and we're off again. You're just trying to keep me busy over here. Can't race when I put the cars on. Well, you gotta catch up somehow. Yeah. Oh, 2, 6, 3, 4, something or other. 5 and 1.
always have the camera the wrong way. Oh wow. Someone help Kevin. Man.
Lay there.
Oh, oh. Jeez. All the crashes that are the crashes. Huh.
There I am. 71, 624, 351. 71 left.
And here we are back at our great scoreboard after the race. And I've got 7 points. I did not do well with that Porsche. Glenn got 15. Daryl wasn't there. Mark got 17. Kevin got 27. Howard and Mark tied at 17. Josh got 37. Eric couldn't make it. And Dale aced the track at 54 out of retirement. Now let's go over and see our standings. Now here we are at the end, looking at our standings. I fell into 7th place and I've got 79 points. Glenn is in 6th with 88. Daryl is in 8th with 57. Mark is in 5th with 94. Kevin is in 1st with 168. Howard is 2nd with 150. Josh is in 3rd place with 134. Eric is in 9th with 38. And Dale is coming up strong in 4th place with 108. It'll be great to see how they do in Spa-Francorchamps next week. And wasn't that a great race? Really, really fast, really crazy, a lot of accidents. But throughout it all, somehow Dale managed to navigate this great track and not wipe out once the entire night. He came in 1st place and totally swept it. That is amazing, Dale. Fresh out of retirement, here we go again. All right, and if you really like this track and you would like to race something like this, make sure you check out on our Patreon page. I have all the track builds right there, and I'm rebuilding that Patreon page to make it a lot better, easier, accessible, and make more sense. So why don't you check that out right now? Go over to Patreon, take a look. The link is down below, and I'm guaranteed you will enjoy it. And you'll also learn how to build these amazing tracks. So until next week, always remember to keep your car down on the road and not in the air. Have a good one.